Hello everyone. Our students are presenting the design thinking based project on AI based personalized recommendation for financial and investment trading.
Hi all, we are going to explain our design thinking project. Many people are feeling confused about their investment options and financial trading, and this app focuses on reducing their risk and clarity increases their clarity.
The main problem is that there is no easy to use personalized AI based guidance platform. The system should be simple enough for beginners to understand while still giving useful the system should be simple enough to understand for beginners while still giving useful and smart investment guidance.
So, so we brainstormed solutions and decided to build an AI-based advisory system called InvestWise AI that collects user data and generates investment strategies. And it also has the options like optional PDF or email delivery, giving users their flexibility how to get their insights.
So basically, we developed the front end of our project using the Google AI Studio and the back end of our project using the N10 because we wanted to automate our project. Chosen our backend as the N10, and this obtains the user inputs, verifies the user by generating OTP for them, and then stores these data in the form of Excel sheets, and then finally generates the personalized outputs.
We tested the system using multiple user data, including different risk profiles and report generation, and also while testing, we faced multiple issues. The major one was connecting the front end to the back end. We also noticed that the workflow in the N8 was not doing its function properly. So we used the test URL to test each node separately and make it work properly. Based on feedback and debugging, we refined the data validation, optimized the workflow logic, and ensured a proper AI flow and response on the UI for the user. Thank you.
Basically, this is the front end of our project InvestWise AI. This is an AI powered investment advisory system. So in order to make the smart investing simplified, this is used to get the personalized investment recommendations powered by advanced AI. So in the dashboard, we have basically 4 tabs, that is the Learn tab, and the second one is the Get Started tab, and then the Login tab and the Sign Up tab. So here for the users personalization, we have also kept the theme preferences, like they can make their screen dark mode or in the light mode. So as of their wish, they can adjust their theme. And we have also kept an AI tutorial video. We have used the AI voiceover for this video in order to make the content very clear. And here is the Get Free Analysis button, which will direct the user to the Get Started tab. So here is how to use this AI investment advisor. So basically we have 4 main steps. The first step is to enter your details, and the second one is to verify your identity, that is by entering the 6-digit code, that is the OTP given by the backend of the project. So next step is to get the AI analysis, and then the last one is to download your report. So you can you can start your free analysis over here. So next we have also given answers for the questions why to choose this InvestWise AI. So we have the answers as this is powered by AI and it is very advanced. So it is also having the bank level security and also the real time analysis. So first is the Learn tab. Here we have 4 main sections. First is the investment basics. Second one is the types of investments. Third one is the trending investments, and the fourth one is the stock market guide. So in this investment basics, we have answers for the very basic questions like what is investing and what is the use of the compound growth and diversification, time horizon, and etc. And we have also given the tips for the beginner investors who are very new to this industry. And in the next tab, we have types of investment. This clears the user about what are the types of investments like stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and etc. And next is the trending investments. This tells the user what are all the investments that are in trend, like artificial intelligence, clean energy, semiconductors, and etc. And the next one is the stock market guide. This is specialized for the stock market, and it is used to understand the mechanics behind the stock markets and how they function. And next is the get started tab. So here the advisor basically asks for the user's details like full name, email address, age, and the investment amount. And it also asks about the risk appetite, and the user can choose like from very low to very high. And timeline, we have like 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and 10 plus years also. This is based on the user's preferences. And it also asks about the user's primary goal like wealth growth, passive income, retirement, and like what purpose is the user using this website. And next is the preferred industry. And it also asks the main question that have you invested before, because this is a very personalized AI investment advisory system. So this gives the user the content related to their investment history. Once after the user fills out the data, they can go with this analyze with AI option. This will direct them to the next page, that is where the report is being generated. And they can also download this report, and then this will also be mailed to their preferred email. So next is the login tab. Here the user can give their email ID and password. This was very useful for the previous users who are already used to our website, so they can restore their data and their history of their investments. And we also have the sign up tab. This is for the new users, so if they are not having a previous account, they can go with the sign up tab.
This is our project's backend. It is done using N8N. This automation workflow collects the user's data and stores it in Google Sheet. Then an OTP is generated and sent to the user's email. The user then inputs the OTP in the front end. Once they do that, it checks whether the OTP match. And once the OTP is matched, the generative AI, that is the Gemini chat model, it reads the information inputted by the user, that is their investment data, and then it generates it into a report. This report is in form of a HTML file. This HTML file is then converted into a PDF file using another chat model, and that PDF file is sent to the user's email. All this information is logged in the Google Sheets. Moreover, we have used the Gemini chat model to do our apps function.